You're probably here because you've seen those viral posts about rosemary oil and hair growth, right? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to spill all the tea on this little miracle worker, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for all the juicy details. Now, let's get one thing straight. Rosemary oil isn't just some trendy new thing. People have been using it for centuries, dating all the way back to ancient Greece and Rome, where it was known as a symbol of remembrance. And guess what? They were also onto something when it comes to hair care. Here's the real magic. Rosemary oil contains compounds like ursolic acid and rosmarinic acid, which are super powerful antioxidants. These ingredients not only protect your hair from damage, but also help fight off harmful free radicals, those nasty little molecules that can slow down your hair growth. When you fight free radicals, you're creating the perfect environment for hair to grow faster, stronger, and healthier. But wait, there's more. Did you know that rosemary oil is actually a natural DHT blocker? DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is a hormone responsible for hair thinning and hair loss, especially for us that are dealing with a bit of thinning around the hairline or crown area. Rosemary oil can help block DHT from attaching to the hair follicles, keeping them healthy and active. So, if you've been dealing with thinning edges or spots that aren't growing as fast, rosemary oil might just be your secret weapon. Okay? So what if you're thinking, is it all hype or does it actually work? Well, let me hit you with some science. A study published in the Skin Med journal showed that participants who used rosemary oil for just 6 months experienced a significant increase in hair growth. I mean, that's a pretty solid result, right? Not only did they see more hair growth, but it also helped reduce the overall thinning. So, this isn't just some anecdotal thing. It's backed by real results. But you don't just have to take my word for it. There's more. Rosemary oil has natural antimicrobial properties, which means it can help clear up scalp issues like dandruff, itchiness, and flakiness. And we all know a healthy scalp is a happy scalp, and happy scalps grow happy hair. Now, let's get back to how to use this magic potion. So, remember, you want to dilute it with a carrier oil, like jojoba, argan, or even sweet almond oil, because straight rosemary oil can be a little intense. Mix 3 to 5 drops with a tablespoon of your favorite oil, and then massage it in. The massage is just as important as the oil itself because it boosts blood flow, helping the nutrients really get absorbed into the scalp. Here's the thing. This isn't an overnight fix. Think of it like a long-term investment in your hair. So stick with it for about 4 to 6 weeks. And remember, consistency is key. All right, so you're probably thinking, I want results, but what if I don't want my hair to smell like a garden? Good news! The scent of rosemary is actually pretty subtle, not overpowering at all, and it has this fresh, herbaceous vibe that's pretty nice. If you're sensitive to scents, though, you can always add a few drops of lavender or peppermint oil to mix things up. And here's my favorite thing. Rosemary oil can help with not just hair growth, but overall hair health. It can add shine, reduce frizz, and even help with split ends. So there you have it. Rosemary oil is the real deal when it comes to getting your hair to grow strong, healthy, and beautiful. Who knew that something so simple could have so many benefits, right? Let me know if you've tried rosemary oil, or if you're going to give it a shot. Drop your thoughts and any cool results you've had in the comments. I love hearing your stories. And if you're into natural beauty hacks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we've got so much more fun stuff coming your way.